here to talk to you about how to add more than one type of expense to your expense report. I'm going to begin here at the dashboard. I have an expense report already in the works. This is a credit card expense, but let's say I had another expense that was not of the credit card type. All I need to do is click on this plus button, and let's say that I had a marketing expense that I paid for. The American dollar is my currency. And then let's say that it costs $49. Then I will note that this was a software tool for DATABASICS marketing. I'll hit next. And here's my opportunity to upload my receipt. Let's say I have already submitted the receipt into the receipt repository. I'll click this button to add it. Then click the check mark. And here I have two different kinds of expenses. At the top, it's really helpful to see that the total of this expense report is $64. However, $49 of that is due to me. That's because $15 was already paid using the company credit card. The $49 was something I used my own personal credit card to pay for, and therefore I need to be reimbursed for that. I'm now finished with this expense report, but for now I'm just going to save and exit. I could also submit this report. I could also add yet another kind of expense. I'm finished for now, so I'm going to click Save and Exit. And that's how you add more than one kind of expense to your expense report using your mobile device. Thanks for watching.